Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy A52s. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Samsung Galaxy A52's price in Pakistan is PKR 71,999. Samsung launched the next in line in its A series, the Samsung Galaxy A52s. Under the hood, the Galaxy A52s has a cutting-edge chipset. A Qualcomm SM7325 Snapdragon 778G 5G chipset which is based on the 6nm framework. The result of this chipset performance-wise, especially in terms of gaming, is striking. The phone performs real-world tasks smoothly paired with providing lag-free gaming. The Galaxy A52s comes with the newer UFS 2.1, which has a fast transfer speed. The device allows two storage options with either 8GB RAM or 6GB RAM, a 128GB option, and a 256GB option. This is expandable up to 1TB. If we talk about the phone's interface, it's Samsung One UI 3.1 based on Android 11. The A52's model is built around a 6.5-inch Super Amoled display with a small punch hole for the selfie camera and is protected by a Gorilla Glass 5 Victus. The phone offers a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The device also holds the IP67 certification. The phone houses a 4500 mAh battery with a 25-watt fast charging feature, which will be enough to last more than a day. If we discuss the optics, the phone offers an elaborate 64MP main camera with a 12MP ultra-wide paired with two sensors, a 5MP macro sensor and a 5MP depth sensor. In addition to this, it also features a 32MP selfie camera. The Galaxy A52s makes use of a fingerprint sensor for authentication. The build here is sophisticated. The Galaxy A52s packs a plastic body with a Gorilla Glass 5 glass front. To sum it up, this handset does come with some notable features paired with a good gaming chipset. It is a great choice to consider if you're buying a handset in this price range. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.